Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to fix Windows Update not installing. Follow my steps. Click search bar and type troubleshoot settings. Click troubleshoot settings. Click other troubleshooters. Run Windows Update. Wait. Troubleshooting has completed and click Close. Close window. Click search bar and type Services. Find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right-click, Properties. Startup type. Select Automatic. And click Start. Click Apply and OK. Find Windows Update. Right-click. Properties. Startup type. Select Automatic. And click Start. Click Apply and OK. Close window. And restart your PC. Problem solved. Subscribe.